How to delete everything on your PC. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Visnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete everything on your PC. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to head over to your start menu here at the start bar, and then you want to head into settings. Once in the settings, you want to head into this option that says system here, just below home option. As you can see, system here. Once under system, what you want to do is you want to scroll down and you want to head into this recovery option right here. Now under recovery, you can see reset this PC option. You want to click on reset option. Now here you want to select remove everything option, and now it'll start getting things ready. And now you want to select local reinstall as it'll be fast. Now however, if local reinstall doesn't help, you can select cloud download and you can go ahead and this will reset everything on your PC. So this way you can delete everything on your PC. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.